Locate remote button. And when we touch it, wait, do you hear the sound? It's the remote control. Oh, I found it.
Programming your TDS TV Universal Remote Control to operate your TV, DVD player, home theater system, or VCR is easy thanks to the automatic search feature. Here are the steps to follow. To program your TV or DVD player, first turn on the device. Then point the TDS TV remote control at the device. Next, press and hold the selected mode button and the OK button at the same time. Release both buttons at the same time. All device mode keys will flash. Using the keypad on the remote control, enter 922. The mode button will flash 2 times to indicate that the code was accepted. Point the remote toward the device again, then press and hold the play button. The remote control will begin searching for the correct code. When it's discovered, the device will turn off. Press Enter on your remote control to program the code. The mode button will flash